Hey, let's go in there. Speed eating?
This ought to be fun.
Wow, it smells great in here. Wow.
Let's see. Am I in the mood for fish?
Sounds good. Excuse me?
Coming right up. 2 salmons, extra cheese. Got it. Did we even order? Enjoy. Wow.
Looks great.
Let's eat.
I'm amped. And now I know why. Look at all that cheese.
Wow, pretty awesome. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, so good.
Seriously? Come on, the clock's ticking. Wait. This is impossible. Okay, there. Got it. First bite. No.
Halfway. And done. How'd you do? Oh man.
At least I can have a pickle.
I win.
Next. What?
I don't get it.
Bring it.
Can I interest you in a banana? Enjoy. We each get our own? Wow. Nice.
And go.
Peel's coming off.
Ooh, that's 1 perfect banana. Whoa.
I'm the boss of this banana.
Okay. Almost done?
That's all you have left? How? Unbelievable.
I love fruit, okay? What's next? Wow!
And for me? The other half. Ready? 1, 2.
Wait! Now I'm ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! This is delicious.
I like a less messy approach. Perfect.
It's just so juicy.
What? But how? He's nearly done.
Ooh. You mean all done? Ta-da! Wait. Forgot about the rind.
Yikes! I give up.
Music to my ears. Oh boy! What is it? Wow!
I got one too.
Good thing I'm thirsty.
Something's in my bottle. You see it?
I don't think so. Hey! My eye!
Gotcha!
That was so unnecessary.
And hilarious. Give me that! All that pranking has me parched.
Hey, stop!
That was easy.
Open it! Now, Way! Wow! A whole pizza?
I'm armed and ready.
That smells good. Shall we?
Oh yeah. Eat. I'm more of a delicate eater. The perfect bite. Not bad.
I've got to eat this faster. Pizza roll-ups it is. That was a lot.
I'm taking my time. Ugh! You're making me lose my appetite.
Me too, quite frankly. But I need to finish this thing. Woo! Kicking it into overdrive.
Speak for yourself. This pizza is pretty good.
Finally, I'm on the last leg. Double roll, baby.
Hey! Couple last bites?
Huh? But how? How?
I take big bites.
Let's do it together. Nice. My favorite. Ice cream.
It's starting.
Let's go! So cold.
He's really chowing down. Yum.
Ice cream. Yes. Brain freeze!
No brain freeze for me. I better lick faster.
Almost.
What? My mouth's getting tired.
Check it out! Last bite.
Oh man. Whoa! You okay over there? You're looking blue. Whoa!
Can we turn up the heat in here?
It'll wear off.
Whoa! Cotton candy!
So cool, right? Wow! The lock!
I better get going. This really melts in your mouth.
Ugh! I've got an idea. Wow, this is huge. Not anymore. The magic of cotton candy. Almost done. Just one final bite.
How did she do that?
Whatever. Really melts in your mouth.
I give up, okay? Look at this! I can't eat another bite.
Hey, guys! Nice work. In the mood for something sweet?
Oh no, I can't even look at it.
That's great news for me. Last one. Get in there. Oh no. I shouldn't have eaten all that.
I could have told you that. I'm the champion. Are you ready?
You bet.
Whoa, red hot peppers?
It's as red as my hair.
Nice observation. I can handle this.
The clock. You ready?
Cheers.
Gotta go fast. See?
It's just so spicy.
I don't feel a thing.
Oh yeah, I got this.
I'm getting close to the end.
Me too. Did we both finish in time?
I guess so. Do you feel that?
You mean the heat?
Ah!
Help!
We need some water.
You think? This is torture.
I can't take it anymore. Somebody call the fire department. Bottoms up. Sweet relief. This time I'm ready to eat. And rock, baby.
I can do that, I guess.
Stop. 1, 2, 3, and drum. Yeah, we're doing it.
Whoa!
Oh yeah, this is how we roll.
Thank you.
Wonderful crowd. Thank you.
I think we can open them. Sushi. My favorite. Huh? Wait.
Yay, sushi. This is the best. What's wrong?
This is gonna be tricky.
Eat.
How do you use these things? Oh, this is so frustrating.
This round's gonna be easy.
Come on, almost. No, I give up. I'll do it the old-fashioned way. Pretty good. I have to catch up. These things are huge.
Last but certainly not least. Yes, I win! Booyah! Sorry, dude. You ready?
Oh, 3 T's do it. Noodles. I don't need this. Fingers are faster.
Oh, yeah?
The clock. Chow down.
This fork is my secret weapon.
I love finger food.
Spin it, baby. Woohoo. It's getting crazy. No, it didn't work.
Almost done. Oh yeah, I did it!
No! Wow, you finished?
That's right! Ha ha!
Feeling hungry? Share this video with your friends and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fun content.